Hi everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. We're going to look at some SEA practice questions today in preparation for SEA 2025 examinations. We're having class every Sunday from 4 to 6 until the exam. Now I know today's class is not a live one. We had some technical difficulties with YouTube, but starting next week, we'll be having our live class from 4 to 6 every Sunday until the exam. Today, I'm going to go through a couple of practice questions with you guys. Starting firstly with this one on our screen here. Triangle plus square is equal to 12. What is the value of the triangle given that the square multiplied by 3 is also equal to 12? So let's see. Using the second equation, which has one unknown, the square, we're going to be able to find the value of the square. Given that the opposite of multiplication is division, we can divide the result 12 by 3 in order to find the square. 12 divided by 3 is obviously 4, so the value of the square is 4, and we can place that wherever we're seeing a square. Now, given we're doing similar steps, given that the triangle plus the square is equal to 12, and we now know that the square has the value of 4, we can subtract 4 from 12, doing the opposite, to find the value of the triangle. And 12 minus 4 is 8. So the value of our triangle here is 8. Right? Moving along, we have the product of 12 and a number is less than the sum of 121 and 76. What is the number? Now, I always tell students to circle the important numbers in the question and underline important information. So here, the product of 12 and a number is 5 less the sum of 121 and 76. Very important information. And I'm going to circle my important numbers. Now, we're going to have to create just like in the previous question, equations to see what's happening here. So the product of 12 and a number, which means we have to multiply. So the product of 12, and we can use a square or any shape really to represent the unknown number here. The product of 12 and a number is 5 less. So that means we're going to have to minus 5 is 5 less than the sum of 121 and 76. So this value is equal to this value. So if we add 121 plus 76, which should give us 197, we'd be able to find the value here. So 12 multiplied by something minus 5 should give us 197. So if we minus 5 from 197, we would get the value of 12 by box. So 12 by box is equal to 197 minus 5, which is 192. And now we can do the opposite again of multiplication, which is division, to find the value of the box by dividing 192 by 12. And 192 divided by 12, 12 goes into 19 one time, and that gives a remainder of 7, and 12 goes into 72 here 6 times. So the value of our box is 16. So thank you for joining us to look at those couple questions. We're looking forward to seeing you next week, where we'll start our live classes from 4 to 6 p.m. every Sunday until the SEA examination. Be sure to subscribe, leave a comment, share the video,